Can we?
Down there. No, next one. Down there. That's the main road there.
What are they?
No entry.
Oh, they're mouse.
They're the Braden Sweets.
They're nice.
They're houses. They're like masonette type things.
They're nice, isn't they?
Yeah. Time now is 7:47 PM. Operation Birdseed is in progress.
What's the name of the caravan?
137. It's the ones we stayed in last time.
Right.
Yeah.
Nocky's one.
It's here, right here, look.
That's their one.
136.
Was it 136? That was
Yeah.
it? Or 137?
No, 136. One on the outside here. Oh no, there it is. It's that one, 137. There's his car.
Oh, there's his car. There it is. It's that one. There's no one here. I'll just knock. I'll just knock.
Yeah, because Ursy could be in there asleep.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know, because you'll wake him up.
Right.
It's all in darkness.
Come on, we've got to go to the covered bird.
Actually, you can't see if the light's on in there.
He's done so round. He's done so round. What's he doing?
Where's he going?
Get the bag out. He's driving. Where's he going? He's still in the car. Why didn't you get it out?
Well, I thought, well, what's it?
I told you to get out of the back.
He's coming back.
Fucking hell. Thanks a bit. The noise it was making.
Yeah.
Fucking bud.
The geezer on the outside must be one of all the
That's right, come on, get out quick, right.
That's funny.
You can't add up to none of it.
No.
No.
Don't know what you're on about, mate.
Because otherwise in March, it's going to be catch back, isn't it?
Payback.
Is there anything left in there, Hallie?
Just a couple of crumbs.
Crumbs.
Oh, God. See the airfuls I was getting? Like, it was the scoops were that big, they was dropping over my hands.
Mental, wasn't it?
Come down here. Oh. Yeah, she's right, she.
Scabby, isn't she?
Scabby. She's a scabby. She's a scabby horse. Scabby horse. She's a stripper tonight, isn't she? That fucking, there's loads of it. What was it? 5? How many scoopfuls were it, Ali?
Probably about 6 or 7.
Did you hear it land on the roof?
That was funny.
It ain't gonna rain. It's not gonna rain tonight.
Nope.
There's no wind.
It's going to be perfect conditions.
I reckon about 80%, 90% of that is on the roof.
Easy. There weren't a lot that I dropped.
And that was almost a full bucket.
Yeah. But I did put 2 big scoops on theirs as well. Big scoops. In the morning, I'm telling you. Because they're going to be fucking sniffing about for the bird seeds as well, didn't they?
Of course they are. We're walking up and down trying to pick it up. that's funny.
That's fucking nice.
How do you know they ain't striped us up?
Because they've been with us all the time, haven't they? Mission accomplished. Get that bucket, Alex. Signing off.